Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, MKBHD here, and we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Air 3. This drone has been on everyone's radar, and today, we're going to break down exactly why it's causing such a stir in the tech community. This drone is creating serious buzz in the tech world, and for good reason. With its advanced features and competitive pricing, it's set to redefine what we expect from mid-range drones. It promises a blend of high-end features and a price tag that doesn't make your wallet cry. Imagine getting pro-level performance without having to shell out a fortune. That's what the Air 3 is all about. We're talking pro-level image quality, intelligent flight modes, and a suite of features that make capturing stunning aerial footage easier than ever. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a newbie, the Air 3 has something to offer. And let's not forget the design. The Air 3 boasts a sleek, modern look that screams premium. It's not just about looks though, this drone is built to perform. Let's unbox this bad boy and see if it lives up to the hype. From the packaging to the accessories, DJI has put a lot of thought into the user experience. The Air 3 sits comfortably in DJI's lineup, bridging the gap between the beginner-friendly mini-series and the powerhouse Mavic series. It's the perfect middle ground for those who want more than just the basics but aren't ready to go all in on a high-end model. It's for creators, adventurers, and anyone who wants stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes or creating content for social media, the Air 3 has you covered. DJI is really stepping up their game in the mid-range market, and the Air 3 is a testament to that. It's packed with features that were once reserved for high-end models, making advanced drone technology more accessible than ever. Buckle up because we're about to take this drone for a spin and see what it's all about. From its flight performance to its camera capabilities, we're going to put the Air 3 through its paces and find out if it truly lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and let me tell you, the Air 3 doesn't disappoint. The unboxing experience itself feels premium. Lifting the lid reveals the drone nestled snugly in its case, along with all the accessories you need to get started. The build quality is solid. You can feel the durability in the materials. It's clear that DJI didn't cut corners here. The design is classic DJI, with sleek lines and a foldable design that makes it incredibly portable. It's lightweight yet feels sturdy in your hands. The gray color scheme is understated and elegant, giving it a professional look. The landing gear is robust and provides a stable platform for takeoff and landing. Overall, the Air 3 exudes a sense of quality and attention to detail that you'd expect from a high-end drone. Let's talk cameras, because that's where the Air 3 truly shines. This drone is not just about flying, it's about capturing the world from a whole new perspective. The Air 3 is designed for those who want to push the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. This drone packs not one but two high-quality cameras, giving you incredible versatility for capturing stunning aerial footage. Imagine having the power to switch between different focal lengths seamlessly, all while in the air. This dual camera setup opens up a world of creative possibilities. We're talking a wide-angle camera and a telephoto camera, both capable of capturing incredible detail and vibrant colors. The wide-angle camera is perfect for those sweeping landscape shots, while the telephoto camera allows you to zoom in on distant subjects without losing clarity. The wide-angle lens is perfect for those epic landscape shots, capturing the grandeur of nature in all its glory. Whether it's a mountain range, a sprawling cityscape, or a serene beach, the wide-angle lens ensures you get it all in the frame, while the telephoto lens lets you get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. This is ideal for wildlife photography, sports events, or any situation where you need to capture details from a distance. The telephoto lens brings your subject closer, making sure you don't miss a thing. But it's not just about the hardware. DJI's image processing software is top-notch, delivering exceptional image quality straight out of the camera. The software enhances the raw footage, ensuring that every shot is as good as it can be, with minimal need for post-processing. We're talking crisp details, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. The colors are true to life, the details are sharp, and the dynamic range ensures that both the highlights and shadows are well exposed. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, the Air 3 consistently delivers impressive results. From high-resolution stills to smooth cinematic video, this drone does it all. It's like having a professional camera crew in the sky. And for the content creators out there, the Air 3 supports high-resolution video recording, giving you the flexibility to edit and create professional-looking footage. Whether you're making a travel vlog, a documentary, or a short film, the Air 3 has the capabilities to meet your needs. It's a game changer for anyone serious about aerial imaging. Alright, let's talk about how this thing actually flies. The Air 3 is incredibly intuitive to control, even for beginner pilots. The controls are responsive and precise, making it easy to maneuver the drone exactly where you want it to go. The drone feels stable in the air, even in windy conditions, thanks to its advanced flight stabilization system. But it's not just about stability. The Air 3 is also surprisingly nimble and agile. It can zip through the air with impressive speed and agility, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving action or navigating tight spaces. The obstacle avoidance system works like a charm, giving you peace of mind when flying in challenging environments. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, the Air 3's flight performance will impress. When it comes to battery life, the Air 3 doesn't disappoint. You can expect a solid flight time on a single charge, giving you ample time to capture the footage you need. And if you need even more airtime, the Fly More combo comes with extra batteries, so you can keep the adventure going. The transmission range is also impressive, allowing you to fly confidently, even at longer distances. The video transmission is clear and reliable, so you can always see what your drone sees. Whether you're exploring vast landscapes or capturing footage in urban environments, the Air 3's battery life and range won't hold you back. Section 6. Safety first. Advanced features for a worry-free flight. Safety is paramount when it comes to drones, and the Air 3 is packed with features to keep your flight safe and secure. We're talking obstacle avoidance sensors that detect and avoid obstacles in real time, preventing potential collisions. The return to home feature is a lifesaver, automatically returning the drone to its takeoff point if it loses connection or runs low on battery. And for added peace of mind, the Air 3 features DJI's GEO system, which provides real-time information about airspace restrictions and potential hazards in your area. This ensures you're always flying safely and responsibly. DJI has really prioritized safety with the Air 3, giving both new and experienced pilots the confidence to fly with peace of mind. Section 7. Intelligent Flight, Unleashing the Power of Smart Modes. One of the coolest things about the Air 3 is its intelligent flight modes. These modes make it incredibly easy to capture professional-looking footage, even if you're a complete beginner. We're talking modes like Active Track, which automatically follows a subject, keeping them perfectly framed in the shot. There's also Quick Shots, which lets you perform complex cinematic movements with just a tap on the screen. And for those epic cinematic shots, there's Hyperlapse, which lets you create stunning time-lapse videos. These intelligent flight modes not only make flying more fun, but also empower you to unleash your creativity and capture footage that was once only possible with professional-grade equipment. Section 8. DJI Fly App, your intuitive control center. The DJI Fly app is your command center for the Air 3, and it's incredibly well-designed and user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to access all the drone's features and settings. You can view a live feed from the camera, adjust camera settings, and access all the intelligent flight modes right from the app. The app also provides real-time telemetry data, including battery life, altitude, speed, and location. You can even use the app to edit your footage and share it directly to social media. DJI has done a fantastic job with the Fly app, creating a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Section 9. The verdict. Is the DJI Air 3 the ultimate mid-range drone? Let's dive deep into what makes this drone stand out in the crowded mid-range market. So, the big question, is the DJI Air 3 the ultimate mid-range drone? In short, absolutely. But let's break down why this drone is a game changer. It's a game changer that delivers an incredible combination of performance, features, and value. The DJI Air 3 is designed to cater to both hobbyists and professionals alike. The dual camera system is a game changer, offering unparalleled versatility. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes or zooming in for detailed shots, this system has you covered. The flight performance is buttery smooth thanks to advanced stabilization technology. This ensures that your footage is always crisp and clear, even in windy conditions. And the intelligent flight modes make it incredibly fun and easy to use. Features like Follow Me mode and waypoint navigation allow for creative and dynamic shots with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, the DJI Air 3 is designed to be user-friendly. The intuitive controls and comprehensive tutorials make it accessible to everyone. The Air 3 has something to offer for every type of user. From capturing breathtaking landscapes to shooting high-quality videos for your projects, this drone does it all. It's the perfect drone for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. The affordability combined with high-end features makes it a top choice. DJI has knocked it out of the park with the Air 3, setting a new benchmark in the mid-range drone category. The innovation and quality packed into this drone are truly impressive. Setting a new standard for mid-range drones, the DJI Air 3 is a testament to what modern drone technology can achieve. Its versatility and performance are unmatched in its class. If you're in the market for a new drone, the DJI Air 3 should be at the top of your list. Its blend of advanced features and ease of use makes it a standout choice. The Air 3 should be at the top of your list. Peace out. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Air 3 is not just another drone, it's a revolution in the mid-range segment. Happy flying!